Hi everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. We've found that the best way to learn a language is to speak it from day one. And the best way to start speaking is to learn phrases that you'll use in real conversations. In this lesson, you'll learn conversational phrases to use when talking on the phone. After watching this video, you'll be able to ask for someone on the phone and to put someone on hold. And if you want to learn more vocabulary, phrases, and example sentences you can use in real-life situations, click the link in the description to download your Making a Phone Call PDF cheat sheet for free. Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
ألو، عايزة أكلم الموظف المسؤول.
أوكي. لحظة واحدة من فضلك.
Once more with the English translation.
ألو، عايزة أكلم الموظف المسؤول.
Hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
أوكي. لحظة واحدة من فضلك.
Okay, just a moment. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say hello on the phone. That's
ألو، ألو.
Then you'll need to learn how to say, I'd like to speak with person. The pattern is
عايزة أكلم.
person. This Arabic sentence literally translates as, I want to talk person, but it means, I'd like to speak with person. For example, hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
ألو، عايزة أكلم الموظف المسؤول. ألو، عايزة أكلم الموظف المسؤول.
Now, how do you answer this question?
أوكي. لحظة واحدة من فضلك.
Okay, just a moment. Listen to it again.
أوكي. لحظة واحدة من فضلك. أوكي. لحظة واحدة من فضلك.
This Arabic sentence literally translates as, okay, moment one, but it means, okay, just a moment. Here are a few more phrases you can use with the same pattern to talk on the phone. The person in charge.
الموظف المسؤول. الموظف المسؤول.
A sales representative.
مندوب مبيعات. مندوب مبيعات.
The manager.
المدير. المدير.
Customer service.
خدمة العملاء. خدمة العملاء.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
عايزة أكلم مندوب مبيعات.
أوكي. لحظة واحدة من فضلك.
عايزة أكلم المدير.
أوكي. لحظة واحدة من فضلك.
عايزة أكلم خدمة العملاء.
أوكي. لحظة واحدة من فضلك.
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, I'd like to speak with person?
عايزة أكلم.
Person. And how do you answer it?
أوكي. لحظة واحدة من فضلك.
Imagine you want to talk to a sales representative. Do you remember how to say, a sales representative?
مندوب مبيعات. مندوب مبيعات.
Say, I'd like to speak with a sales representative.
عايزة أكلم مندوب مبيعات.
Now say you want to talk to a sales representative and answer it.
عايزة أكلم مندوب مبيعات.
أوكي. لحظة واحدة من فضلك.
Now, imagine you want to talk to the manager. Do you remember how to say, the manager?
المدير. المدير.
Say, I'd like to speak with the manager.
عايزة أكلم المدير.
Now say you want to talk to the manager and answer it.
عايزة أكلم المدير.
أوكي. لحظة واحدة من فضلك.
Now imagine you want to talk to customer service. Do you remember how to say customer service?
خدمة العملاء. خدمة العملاء.
Say, I'd like to speak with customer service.
عايزة أكلم خدمة العملاء.
Now say you want to talk to customer service and answer it.
عايزة أكلم خدمة العملاء.
أوكي. لحظة واحدة من فضلك.
In this lesson, you learned new vocabulary and phrases you can use in your everyday life to talk on the phone. You're now able to answer the phone like a native speaker. Start by practicing in the comments below. Tell us and your fellow learners whom you'd like to call. Lastly, don't forget to click the link in the description and download your PDF cheat sheets. You'll get useful phrases you need for everyday life for free. See you in the next lesson. Bye!